Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Lulu's Storytime. Please subscribe. Today we're going to be reading the story called Volcanoes by Sandra Markle. This story is from the Wonders textbook, 2nd grade level. One ordinary April day, something special happened. Hot liquid rock exploded from a volcano on Iceland. Once in the air, the bits of liquid quickly cooled and turned into ash. Then the volcano kept on erupting. Soon the air was full of ash. Nearby, a dairy farmer herded his cows into the family's big barn. His wife said, "It was scary. I could hear the volcano rumbling like distant thunder. Soon, even though it was day, it was dark, and there were flakes falling from the sky. These were not white snowflakes, though. The flakes were black. When they touched my skin, they felt like sand." This volcano's eruption had a big impact on the local people and others around the world. So why did the volcano erupt? Compared to the whole Earth's crust is thin. The crust is broken into pieces like a cracked hard-boiled egg. Each piece is called a plate. Deep inside, Earth's core is so hot the rock around it heats up and moves. As the rock heats up, it rises. Near the crust, the rock cools off, then it sinks. Scientists think these currents make the plates move. When the plates move, melted rock inside Earth rises. This melted rock is called magma. If the plates move far enough apart, magma reaches Earth's surface. Magma may explode into the air. It may flow onto Earth's surface. When magma flows out, it is called lava. Lava flows out at different places around the world. If a lot of lava flows out at one spot on the Earth's surface, it forms a mountain, a volcano. Many are along the edge of the Pacific Ocean. No wonder this is said to be a ring of fire. And here are our pictures. Volcanoes in the ring of fire. They show you the ring of fire in the Pacific Ocean. On the previous page, it says, "See magma for yourself." You can model what's happening to the magma under Earth's plates. The caption under the globe reads, "Below the ground and water, Earth's crust is broken into plates. Plates are on the move, but we can't feel it. The fastest plate moves just 6 inches each year." Lava may have different properties, like being runny or stiff. If the lava is runny, it spreads out on Earth's surface before it cools and becomes solid. This kind of lava forms a flat, shield-shaped volcano. Moanalua in Hawaii is a shield-shaped volcano. It started when lava poured out of an opening on the ocean floor. Then lava built up in layers. Once the mountaintop was above water, it formed an island. Moanalua continues to be very active. It has erupted 39 times since 1832. Moanalua in Hawaii is Earth's largest volcano. If the lava is stiff, it piles up on Earth's surface and forms a cone-shaped volcano with steep sides. The volcano that erupted on Iceland is a cone-shaped volcano. It is not very active. Its last eruption was almost 200 years ago. While it was inactive, a lot of ice built up on the mountain. Then, in 2009, scientists discovered the volcano was becoming active again. This is the volcano that erupted in Iceland. Scientists know a volcano is getting ready to erupt when it swells. This happens because magma pushes up inside the volcano. The mountain does not swell enough for people to see it getting bigger. Special instruments measure the tiny movement of the rocks. Other instruments record earthquakes around the volcano. Lots of earthquakes are another clue magma is rising inside the volcano. Magma fills a chamber inside the volcano. Then it pushes up a pipe-like part to the opening at the surface, the crater. The Iceland volcano erupted lava under its ice covering. The ice melted and turned to steam. If you've ever watched steam lift the lid on a boiling pot, you know what happened next. Steam and gas escaping from the volcano blew magma high into the air. The magma exploded into millions of tiny droplets. These cooled and became ash. Winds carried the volcanic ash across Europe. The volcanic ash could damage jet engine parts, so it was too dangerous to fly. Airplanes around the world were grounded. Some people were stranded. After the eruption in Iceland, ash covered the ground. Not just volcanic ash causes problems. Hot lava from volcanoes also creates damage. Flowing lava can destroy buildings and roads. The volcano named Mount St. Helens in Washington state once blasted out hot gas and knocked down whole forests. Of course, the results of volcanic eruptions aren't all bad. For one thing, volcanoes build new mountains and islands. In Iceland, scientists discovered the bits of volcanic ash were coated with minerals plants needed to grow. After the eruption, the dairy farmer had a big job cleaning the ash off his house and barn roofs. In the fields, though, the grass quickly shot up healthy and green. Soon there was plenty of fresh food for his cows. The ash makes a healthy place for plants to grow. Here, a farmer is sweeping ash off of his roof. Thank you for following along with me. This story was written by Sandra Markle. She writes books, creates TV shows, and develops online programs on all kinds of science topics. I hope you enjoyed this story, and I'll see you back next time.